this head shaking was not part of my hair care routine. Like you guys can see, I have oiled my hair and I've put up a pony. I'm able to do it now because most of you guys must be knowing I had really short hair and now I'm able to, but I still have. Anyway, the topic of my video here today is, of course, like you guessed, oiling. Now I'm going to follow an 8-hour oiling method. So what I do is I just apply oil, go off to sleep, 8 hours, done and dusted. Or if I forget to oil in the night, I do it in the daytime, and depending on where I am, I go about 8 hours with this kind of a hair and just put a scarf on it. So that is 8-hour oiling. It works beautifully. It gives you gorgeous, bouncy, shiny hair. It also maintains waves and curls for all you curly wavy girls out there. If you like this video, you know what to do. And if you want more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.
These are some pictures from last week's oiling session. This is immediately after the wash. I haven't used any hair dryer. This is just plain dried in the air. AIR air. These pictures are from today. Just look at my locks. The waves are so soft, the curls are so soft, and guys, this is what 8-hour oiling does. Thanks for watching Tiny Tales.